Welcome, here I've got TCL 10 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. So here we are. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have the grid option. So by tapping on this button we can turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need, like that. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera, and as you can see here we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo. So these lines are only to help us taking better pictures. Of course, when you don't need this, you can easily go back to the settings in the left corner, slide again to the general settings and tap on this button here. So for now this is turned off, and as you can see in the camera preview, these lines have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.